The new Actiflow Dual portable dispenser system from Actichem is super easy to use. Simply remove the lid from the bottle you are wishing to attach the dispenser to, insert the SafeLink closed loop insert, press down firmly to ensure a snug fit which prevents leaks, attach the Actiflow Dual dispenser unit to the top of the bottle. Once you have attached this firmly, you can then select the desired dilution ratio that you require for the job on hand. Then simply attach the clean water to the connection at the back of the Actiflow Dual dispenser. Turn the tap on gently, and just like that, once you press the trigger on the Actiflow Dual portable dispenser, you have the perfect dilution, no mess, no fuss. That's Actichem Dual.